Across the United States, there are more than 156,000 service stations that safely dispense more than 185 billion gallons of diesel and gasoline every year, thanks to the latest in safety equipment and technology. At the pump, the automatic shutoff mechanism keeps you from overfilling your tank and splashing fuel onto your hands and into the environment. And when the underground storage tanks need refilling, the connections to the fill pipes are located in sealed spill buckets, which direct any fuel spilled straight into the tank. But that's just the beginning of the safety story. The rest is, literally, below the surface. As an added measure of safety, today's underground tanks feature a variety of overfill prevention technologies. A flapper valve automatically cuts off the flow of fuel into the tank, while a ball float in the vent pipe prevents vapor from escaping. The pressure of vapor within the tank then prevents additional fuel from entering. A float sensor alerts the operator if fuel reaches the target level. Once fuel is in the tank, it's important to make sure it stays secure until it's dispensed. That's why leak prevention is another essential part of the safety story. Thanks to a nationwide upgrade campaign, the vast majority of underground storage tanks and pipes feature corrosion-resistant coatings, or they're made entirely of resistant materials like fiberglass. When uncoated steel tanks are used, cathodic corrosion prevention systems are required. Corrosion, or rust, is caused when moisture in the soil draws off electrons from iron molecules in the steel. Applying a slight electrical current, basically a stream of free electrons, helps keep the iron molecules intact. But a commitment to safety also means expecting the unexpected. So leak detection is another important feature of today's underground storage tanks. Sensors can detect even a small leak by comparing the amount of fuel dispensed at the pump with the amount that should remain in the tank. In the pipes leading from the tank to the pump, line leak detectors use a spring-loaded probe to test fuel pressure. An unexpected change in pressure will trigger an alarm. Also, many of today's storage tanks feature double walls. The space between the walls is filled with brine. Sensors monitor the pressure level of the brine. A leak in either the inner wall or the outer wall will cause the pressure level to decrease and an alarm will sound. Upgraded equipment, important technologies, and sound practices. Together, they help your neighborhood service station protect our environment and your peace of mind.